Hello, welcome to another video of how to solve the Rubik's Cube by various patterns. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube when the cube is being turned last two from left and last two from right. So let's begin. As you can see, the cube, the bottom is green, blue, and two whites at their side, and this pattern is facing to the right, which is uh, totally different from the first video. So how to solve it? So I'll be using first two from right and first two from left. As you can see, now the cube is back to its original shape. And please take note, this is totally a reverse from the first video. That's all. Thanks for watching.